G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. I'm still in Florida. This is video number 2 before I go back to California. So if you didn't check out my other one, go check it out. But I'm about to pull into another car wash, another self-serve car wash. We're going to test it, see how it goes. The last one was okay. It wasn't terrible. It wasn't amazing. It was kind of terrible. But if you didn't see it, go check it out. Let's go check out this self-serve car wash. I have no idea what it is. I just looked up car washes near me and I clicked on the closest one and here we are. So let's go see what's going on at this self-serve car wash. And here we are pulling up to it now. First thing I see is a bunch of punks hanging out the front corner there. Oh my God, it's huge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they're actually in the end bay either painting or doing something. But it's big. It runs adjacent with the busy road. Yes, it's a busy road right there. Can't fully see it 100% driving by, but let's go check it out upon further investigation. Upon getting out of the truck, here we have a triple foam. So we have 3 hoses in each bay, which is an upgrade from the last car wash I had. Kind of a mess up there with all the hoses. Again, it's not the wide braided hose, there's a bunch of bird's nests up there. We have a hog's hair brush, good for them. They understand, they care, they show some love. Foaming brush. So what do we have? We got a massive faceplate. Someone's trying to do some advertising. Technique. That's kind of cool. Never really seen that before. They got individual trash bin hanging on the wall right there in the bay. I'm sure they're in every bay. And this is a big, huge faceplate. A little loose. I'm sure someone will try and break in like they already did right there. Try drilling it out. $2. So the last one I went to was $3 in the previous video for 6 minutes. Let's see what $2 gets me. This is better because I have the bills, the coins, and they're still missing the credit card, so they could have perfectly enough room here for the MONEXgroup terminal. There's no reason why they shouldn't have it. Just put it in. I could tap my card and start the bay straight away, but for now I will go to the bill changer because I want to test the bill changer to see if it works. I could just put the bill right in here, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go check out the rest of the bill changers, and they do have mini trash bins in each bay. That's cool. Good for them, because a lot of people do just throw stuff on the ground in the bay, and that's why the bays are clean. And they got 2 bill changes and a vending machine, which is very blurry. You can't really see the products. It works, it works. Quarters. Yeah. Very cool. But yeah, like I said, they just need to clean this up a little bit because you can't really see it. Bill acceptor's missing, got broken into, I'm sure. But so far out of the 8 bays, they got 1 bay closed because I think they're working on it. So 7 bays, and I think like 6 of them are full. So these guys are pretty busy. I'm expecting this car wash to be pretty good based on how busy they are. Again, it's on a great location. Let's check it out. I got my quarters. Again, same thing I said at the other car wash. That's why I like tokens, because instead of standing here putting in so many coins, 1 token is $1. So 3 minutes, so $2 for 3 minutes. So this one's actually works out to be more expensive than the other one. Even though it's $2, the other one was $3. Here you get 3 minutes. The other place you got 6 minutes. What's wrong with me? So what do we got? We got, so I put in the whole $5 and I got 6 minutes and 30 seconds. So it's very expensive. Well, more than the other place. Tire cleaner, low pressure tire cleaner. I'm guessing would be, look at that wand. And they have it facing horizontal. I like it vertical, up and down. Just always seems a little awkward. Tire cleaner. Should be out by now, that's just water. And I think, here we go, come on. Nope, it's dying, it's dead. If it's not out by now, it's been, oh my God, it's been 30 seconds already. Put that back in there. Let's try the pre-soak, which I have the pre-soak coming out of that other gun, but it's a non-weep gun, so you have to pull the trigger. Probably not the best for the cap pumps with all the pressure building up, and again the customer's like, oh, it's not working, because some customers don't know how to pull the trigger, surprisingly. But this is pre-soak. I'm hoping something works. I'm hoping something comes out. If it's not out by now, I mean, it's kind of bad. Because right now the customer's like, well, it's water, but there's no pre-soak. Well, so far that's 0 for 2 high pressure soap. Let's see if we can get 1 for 2, not 0 for 3 high pressure soap. Where you at, soap? Don't be shy, come on now. Okay, here we go, it's coming out. Alright, good amount. Good amount, wouldn't change it. Good enough. Good, so we're 1 for 2. Next. Cepillo con espumpa, aka foam brush. Foam brush is always a good test. Nothing out so far, and I went the long way around the truck. Oh, struggling. It's always hard to tell when it's laying that way, but I like seeing how it falls. So if we leave it like that, slightly thick. I mean, you can't complain. Slightly thick, I'll just turn the air down slightly. You know, it still comes out, you can still scrub the car. I don't think really anyone would complain about that, but as a car wash wannabe perfectionist, I'd have it slightly runnier. Again, it's really hot, it's 95 degrees, so it can afford to be a little runnier, and it's stuck to the car, it's not really falling down. It is slightly. Now I'm just nitpicking. What a complaining. Oh, look at the vacuums with all that coverage. Good for them. They need it here in Florida, I'll tell you that much. Rinse, triple shine. Yeah, clean that up. It's ugly. Triple foam. A little watery. As I was just talking about making it more watery. Blue. Where's the other colors? Come on, that's why we want the triple foam, for all the colors. But it's been blue the whole goddamn time. It looks like we're only getting blue. Oh, I'm feeling blue now. I'm feeling blue. Not the worst I've seen. Could be a little foamier, a little thicker. But hey, look at that. Soap all over the car. Good enough. Turtle wax. Turtle wax. It's a low pressure turtle wax. Actually it's a no pressure turtle wax. So the wax does not work. What's that, 2 for 3? Let's try the high pressure wax. That's the remaining of the soap. That should disappear in a second. Or 10. See, now it's disappeared, now it's clear, and now we should see some wax. In a perfect world, at a perfect car wash, we will see wax. But for some reason, I have a small inkling in my gut that I am not going to receive the wax that I ever so desire. That's it, no wax. So that's what? 2 for 4. We've got the spot free. We've got 1:30 left, and spot free's very, very weak. Very, very weak spot free. That's pretty lousy. I'm gonna give that a thumbs down. But let me quickly rinse off the crap that I put on it here in the last minute, and then we can further discuss the results of this car wash. was gonna pull into the vacuums, but they're all full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're all full, but only one's being used. Everyone else is just, you know, hanging out, drying their car. But that's it for this car wash. There was a bunch of action going on in that first bay up there, working on some walls, doing something. So just to go over that car wash, it was average again. Let's see, the wax didn't come out. The triple foam was very runny. It didn't change colors like people expected to. The foam wash was okay. It was a little too much air, a little too thick and blobbed maybe once every 6 seconds. I like a nice big blob every second. So little adjustments there. Spot free barely worked. There was no tire cleaner, that didn't work. So a lot of things didn't work. And even though they were busy, people are probably spending $2 or $3, the bare minimum, to wash their car versus $5, $6, maybe $7, $8. You know, put the credit cards in, count it up, and if everything's working, people are going to use everything for, you know, 1 to 2 minutes. But if it doesn't work, they're going to change it after 15, 20 seconds because it's not working, and they're going to feel ripped off, and they may not come back. But they seem pretty busy. It was a big car wash, 8 bays. You could see it driving by. It was on a very busy road. You can see it. Not 100% right there, bang, smack, power right in your face, but it was there, you know. And for people, there's so many houses in this area, so populated. I'm sure that car wash does pretty good. And again, having 8 bays, it's going to be very rare that cars are waiting. I mean, that's the best outcome, is on the weekend, cars are waiting. Again, it's a Saturday at 3 p.m., so they should be busy. There should be cars waiting. The 8 vacuums, like 8 or 10 vacuum spaces, and they were all taken up, so good for them. But the thing is, you know, the people were just drying the car, and someone was even just sitting in their car. They weren't even using the vacuum, and there was, I wanted to pull in and use the vacuum, and another customer wanted to as well, but I drove away. I don't know if the other customer waited. And I guess the reason they do that is because it was undercover. It's very hot. It's 95 degrees, and you know, people don't want to dry their car in the sun. They want to be under the shade, so that's why they park there. Unfortunately, it blocks up a space for the vacuum, but I'm sure that's only the case on the weekends. During the week, probably not an issue as much. But, you know, good car wash with huge potential. If everything worked amazing there, the revenue would skyrocket. But for now, half the things didn't work. They had a 10 function rotary switch, and half the things didn't work. So what's the point of having them unless they work? But anyway, that's it for me in Florida. It's been good. Reminisced, had a good time. Used to live here, for those of you who don't know. And I'm heading back to Los Angeles. So thanks for watching, guys. Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. See you all next time.